Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your WhatsApp chats without Google Drive backup and anything, but only using your phone. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, what you need to do is open your file manager on your phone and then just get over to internal shared storage. Now just click on these three dots and then click on show hidden files and then open this Android folder. After this, go over to media and then select com.whatsapp folder. Open this WhatsApp folder and here just select any file you want. Just select the file and then click on rename and rename it anything you like. Once you do this, just restart your phone and then you'll notice that your older chats are now visible in your WhatsApp. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.